You are watching HobbyKit, a one-stop tech gear.
Okay Google, print hello.
Printing hello.
Hello everyone, welcome to HobbyKit channel. In this session, I am going to explain how to use Google Assistant and send the messages to OLED screen. For that, open Google Chrome and first of all click the link given in the description. This is the link given in the description, and now copy paste in the Google Chrome. Now you will see the circuit diagram. So first let us see the circuit diagram. I am using my Node MCU as the microprocessor and controller, and I am using OLED screen. I have connected ground pin to ground pin of Node MCU, 3 volts to VDD, and SCK to D4 and SDA to T3 of my Node MCU. And then click on this. So this is the code. Copy the code, control copy, open Arduino IDE, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe, and if you don't know how to install Arduino IDE, I have already made a video for this, and I will be giving the link in the description as well as the icon, which is the top right corner. Yes, and then paste the code. So this is the simple code. Here we are using ESP8266 Wi-Fi manager. This is the ESP8266 Wi-Fi manager library, and I am using Adafruit as the interface between Node MCU and OLED. That means the information will be sent via Google Assistant to Adafruit account, and the Adafruit account will send the information to the Node MCU, and the Node MCU will pass the output from the OLED. So these are the libraries for OLED, interfacing OLED with Node MCU. I have already made a video on interfacing Node MCU with OLED. I will be giving the link in the description. So these lines are, these are the username and key of your Adafruit account, and you need to give your SSID and password, and then you are initiating the Adafruit IO Wi-Fi, and now you have declared that your OLED is connected to D3 and D4, SDK and SCK. And now in the Adafruit IO, first let me explain what is an Adafruit. Open your Chrome and search for Adafruit IO website. Don't worry, I have given the link in the description. Yes, if you do not have any account, just create an account and log into that account. And now click on Feeds and click on View All. Now you need to just add a new feed. Give a name to your feed. I have given as Google Display and click on create. That's it. That's what you want to do in this Adafruit IO, and click on my key. Here you will getting your user ID and your key here. Copy this key into your Arduino code. So these are the user ID and key numbers. So when coming to this line, in my Adafruit IO, I have created a feed, and IO.feed is within the brackets the feed name. Here you should write your feed name. When coming to void setup, I have begun the serial monitor, I have begun the Wi-Fi of NodeMCU to connect, and these lines are for displaying text in OLED, and I have connected to the server IO, and in the main loop I am running the server. Here I just given a line called handle message. In that handle message, I have given a string called command string. Whenever I said any text to my Google Assistant, it will be sent to Adafruit IO, and then it will be saved in the string called command string. Now I will print my command string in serial monitor and as well as the OLED module. With these lines, you can achieve this project. So there is one more action to trigger Google. So go to IFTTT website. I have given the link in the description. Okay, if you do not have any account, just create your account. Make sure that your mobile phone and this IFTTT account are same. Now maybe later. So now click on create. So now you are creating actions. Click on this and search for Google Assistant. And select say a phrase with a text ingredient. What do you want to say? I want to say as print, and you need to give this dollar symbol. Here it is clearly mentioned. Use the dollar symbol to specify what you want to say, the text ingredient. And then what do you want to Google Assistant to respond? Okay. Printing, and the input user. Select the language and create a trigger. And then click add button on then that. Now search for Adafruit. Send data to Adafruit IO. Click on this option. Yeah, you have given the feed name in your Adafruit IO. Select that feed name. I am using my previous feed, voice command, and data to send. Here add ingredient, text field. That's it. Click on create action. Click on continue. That's it. Our project is almost done. Let us see in live action. Now open your Arduino IDE and upload the code to your NodeMCU. Okay Google, print hello.
Printing hello.
Okay Google, print subscribe to my channel.
Printing subscribe to my channel.
Okay Google, print thank you.
Printing thank you.